Push Rod Fury. All right, nice try, Push Rod Fury here, my God. All right, today, front end day. So we're gonna get the top race out of the Sportster right there. And I already got the bottom one out. So it's the cup, and then that's the race. So you gotta knock that cup out of a new one. And you can see these races are fudged up. So that's coming out. And then once I get that in, I can get the triple tree assembly together, and I can assemble the front end. So I have 1 hour to work on this. So I'm gonna get that going. Okay, here we go.
He reached back out to me Thursday and said that she was going to make sure, of course we know that Congress is dealing with the issues in Washington, but she said that her office will also be involved in the Harley University. I want to thank you again, Chairman Robinson.
So I got these from the good old motorcycle parts company here in Hoboken, and it's a cup with the race already installed. So that'll go in. So let's get these tapped in. So I'm just gonna lubricate this. I kind of like this shot because you always get good background music, you know? And the camera's crooked. That's gonna drive my viewers crazy. All you guys. The gal's gonna be all upset. So let's fix the camera angle. Let's see. Let's go here. You really need a piece of wood. Tap that down in there. That's fine. I can do that with a dowel. Just make sure I'm really dumb and hit it. You gotta pack the bearing with grease. Right, you gotta push it through and make sure it's super greased up, so that grease has to come through. If not, you'll burn the bearings up pretty quick. So that's gonna need a lot more grease. And there's probably, like, you know, better ways to do it. I don't know. There's a little device you can use. It's a little cleaner. It's bad lighting because the light's coming through the front, but let's see if we get a good reflection. There we go. A little cleaner. All right, we need a dust cover for the top. And I'm embarrassed I mean, I should have waited. I ordered the NOS parts. This looks like a piece for my toilet, doesn't it? Oh well. Put that on. That goes there. Right. Clean this little guy up. He doesn't want to be that dirty. Let's see. Finish on this is pretty. I like the patina. You know, I'm not going for restoration, but there's no corrosion on it. Okay, there's our cat. Anyway, no more grease. I already packed this with grease and put a little bit more on there. A little extra. A little extra. Okay. No, I think it's right. Oops, that should go up. Prop it up with this. Don't move. Yeah. What a mess. So this is how you don't do it. And I'll get corrected, I'm sure. But you know, you tell something's not right. You can just tell. So let's see. That's sitting on the bearing. Oh yeah, that just needs to be. There we go. There we go. We got the toilet trim that's going on here. That keeps, you know, let's see. Let's get some of that grease. There. The more grease, the better when it comes to steering stem bearings. You don't want any gaps. That looks better, huh? Put the little toilet ring on there, boop, just like that. We got this guy. This guy on. We grease the outside of this nut and the inside of here, and for what it's worth, those are gonna, all my fingers are greasy. One of my forks was stuck in this taper, so I put a little coat of grease in there to keep it getting stuck. Okay. Don't laugh because I don't have the right size socket. I should. Just gonna get this. I'm only doing like 1/16 of a turn. As soon as it starts to feel snug, I'm going to back it off. Like right now it's moving really nice. Really nice. Even that still feels good. So, going. Okay, and that's binding, like it's a tiny bit of binding, so I'm gonna bring that back a little bit. Full of smoke still. That feels like all right, and I'll adjust that again later. And that's the brake splitter. It's so funny on my Kawasaki H1, it's integrated into the lower clamp. It's just like the silliest thing, and they could have just done something simple like this. All right. I didn't want to mix up my rights and lefts.
Could you come over here a minute?
Oh, yeah.
I'm finna cut this shelf. Maybe I could just leave the piece whole.
Yeah.
How long you want?
Yeah, let me come over just one moment. There we go. It's nice and snug in there. It's tapered. The other thing is, you have to torque this stuff. You kill yourself if you don't. So, let me set this torque wrench. Should have done this earlier. 30 is the number. 30 pound feet, actually. Here we go. Rebuilt the tubes. I didn't record that, but went over them, took off any little chips, you know, with a piece of fine sandpaper. And then there are two plastic rings that guide the damping tubes, and those have been replaced also. Well, it's starting to look like a motorcycle again, huh? Now, I've already cleaned up the oxidation off of these, cleaned them all out with solvent, replaced the seal and the clip, but I'm reusing the dust boot because they were in fine shape, no problems there. And quite frankly, I forgot to order new ones. But look at that, huh? Little shower forks made in Japan on my Harley. That's alright, they know what they're doing. So now carefully, I've already lubricated the seal. Oh yeah, that's all lubricated already. That shouldn't be up that high. Burn them up. There we go. Just like that. Okay, gonna get some hardware, be right back. The fork rebuild kit did come with new hardware, the new washer. So we'll see. Now these are metric. Just spinning. But we all know it's gonna spin. It's not a big surprise. So we have to get an extension on there. Use an impact driver on it. And have it on the late setting. I don't know what the torque is on this, but it's not even doing anything. Anyone want to guess what I did to fuck this up? All right, well, you'll see in a minute. All right, you want to see what I forgot? This guy. See, that's why I don't like Farkle. Because you don't need it. But it is pretty. It is pretty. And then, you know, I created all this mess for myself. Gotta set this back to 30. You guys don't want to see this. I gotta zip all this out of here. Now all that work I put into the fork, look at that. Now you know it's a Sportster. You see that? All that work to get the rust out of there. And I almost forgot to even put it on. Man, I think we almost have a motorcycle.